Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out these ILC LED light changing color RGB light bulbs. So these are 5 watts for replacement for 40 watt. So not only do they save you money in energy, got our 4 little bulbs in here, but you can also make them any color that you want. So this is a 4-pack, that's pretty cool. And these aren't glass too, so no danger of those breaking and causing damage. This comes with 2 remotes, has all kinds. You can put a timer on there, dimmer light, brighter light, on, off, switching from colors, all kinds of different things. Let's just check this out, put it in here, and show you how it looks, my friends. All right, friends, well, I am super impressed with these. So I could change this really easily. All the little functions on here are really cool. So I can make it nice and dim if I want. So if I don't want it too bright. I bought some LEDs before, bulbs, and they were so bright that I just had to use 2. These are perfect. They only use 5 watts instead of 40. I can change any color I want. These are amazing. Just really, really impressed. The remote doesn't have to be pointed directly at them. If you have all the bulbs together, it's going to change your colors, whatever color you want, automatically. So just super impressed with it. Actually, one touch for brightness, dim, up, down. You can change the colors to like fading in and out. Just man, I can't really. And then these ones just switch in and out and have a timer if you want them to turn off. So whether you put these in a lamp, or I'm just going to have these in my bathroom, they sync up together. Just works really great. If you turn off the light and turn them on, it should resume the previous one that you had. So they work just like a normal light bulb. Just really impressed. Just like a regular light bulb, just with hardly any energy used, and any color that you want. So whether you're using them in a lamp, in your bathroom, or whatever, these are just really, really nice light bulbs. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. I hope this is helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.